It's really showing up in the stock prices as well. On the upside though, ICICI Bank ahead of its numbers tomorrow. Kotak Bank also comes out with numbers tomorrow. So those two stocks are looking pretty decent this morning. That's the first tick on the index, slightly subdued, down about 20 odd points. Nothing surprising really. Nifty just gravitating around that 18,100 mark. The bank Nifty is doing quite well, so that's up about 150 odd points. Hindustan Bank is your big mover, posts its numbers up about 1%. ICICI Bank is up 1%. Tata Motors as well is in focus. There are reports indicating that Tata Motors is seeking a $600 million valuation for its electric vehicle business. So it has, it's tapping the street now to do funding for its EV business. So ahead of that, the stock is up about 1 odd percent. SBI, L&T are a couple of other heavyweights that are holding forth this morning. You have IT stocks are not doing too badly. Wipro is in the green, a couple of others as well. HCL Tech is in the green, holding up there. So what's dragging the market and preventing it from getting above 18,100? HUL, clearly. So 2.5% lower on HUL. That royalty has not gone down well with the street. Asian Paints under pressure. The management commentary was slightly cautious as well. Sun Pharma is down about 1%. And all consumption names, ITC, Britannia and Nestle, are all topping the charts on the losing end. Titan, after the downgrade yesterday, is also under pressure. Reliance, ahead of its numbers, is slightly subdued. As we were telling you, the consumer-facing businesses, both Jio and retail, have seen a moderation in growth, and that is something that, perhaps is keeping the stock a bit subdued as well. SBI Life, Maruti Suzuki, UPL and Tata Consumer, a couple of other stocks that are trading in the red. So very, very quiet market, just consolidating around that 18,100 mark. But I guess lots playing out in the broader market.
Well, that's right, Sonia. A lot of stocks that are moving around. Let's start off with the IT pack. Forge, they've gone ahead and raised their guidance. So that stock has opened up the gain of around 3%. Emphasis under some pressure because they delivered a revenue degrowth on a sequential basis. So that's down close to around 2%. You have LTTS. Well, the revenue growth was below estimates. They also went ahead and trimmed their guidance. So let's get some of these stocks actually up for you. LTTS, well, that stock as well is under some pressure. A couple of other notable stocks. You have Hindustan Zinc, as we pointed out, not a great deal at all for them. Very limited float in the market. So when the stock goes up, it goes up one way. Last few days, I think the stock was up 14-15%. Also, it's giving up close to around 7% of those gains. So that stock under some pressure in today's trading session. Surya Roshni, they bagged an order of around 150 crores from GAIL. So for starters, that opened up in the green. PVR, well, the street has read these numbers positively. There were some, earnings estimate cuts as well. The occupancy levels are still not as much as it was pre-COVID. But for the time being, the street says that maybe in the coming quarter, things will look up. So that one is up close to around 1.5%. Thumbs up on that one.
All right, the market's absolutely flat. I mean, HUL is seen a decent bounce. I mean, the low was 25.36 on